If you're considering Bitdefender for your device, there are 7 important things you need to know before pulling the trigger. From its impressive features to its real-world performance, I'll break down exactly what makes Bitdefender stand out from competitors like Norton and McAfee, and what might make you think twice. Stick around until the end for a special offer that could save you money and get you exclusive access to a free trial. First off, one of the biggest things that sets Bitdefender apart from other antivirus software is its lightweight performance. Bitdefender doesn't hog your system resources. Unlike other heavyweights, Norton and McAfee, which can slow your PC down with constant background processes, Bitdefender's autopilot feature runs almost invisibly in the background, making it a top choice for people who need a smooth and fast user experience. You'll barely notice it running, even when you're working on resource-heavy tasks. Next, let's talk about its real-time protection. Bitdefender's multi-layer ransomware protection is incredibly strong. Whether you're dealing with phishing attacks, malware, or ransomware, Bitdefender does a fantastic job of keeping you safe without bombarding you with unnecessary alerts. Competitors like Norton also provide real-time protection, but Bitdefender's ability to stop malicious threats without slowing down your system is one of its strongest points. The program's AI-driven defense system actively learns to adapt to newer threats, making sure you're always covered. The third thing you should know is about Bitdefender's VPN feature. Most people don't realize that having an inbuilt VPN can be a game changer, especially when you're dealing with sensitive information online. Bitdefender's VPN isn't perfect for heavy use, but it's more than adequate for securing your connection while browsing or streaming. This is something that McAfee lacks without requiring a separate subscription for a VPN, so it's definitely an added bonus with Bitdefender. Now the fourth thing, Bitdefender excels in independent lab tests. When it comes to detecting and neutralizing malware, Bitdefender has consistently scored near the top in independent reviews. While competitors like Norton and Kaspersky also perform well, Bitdefender often edges them out in key areas such as zero-day protection and phishing defense. This means that when you're buying Bitdefender, you can trust the software to protect your device with industry-leading technology. The fifth thing to note is its pricing model. Compared to Norton or McAfee, Bitdefender tends to offer more flexible pricing options. With multiple tiers available, you can get a version tailored to your needs, whether it's for a single device or multiple devices, and at a price that's often more affordable than the competition. Plus, if you're unsure about making a commitment, you can always try Bitdefender for free with their trial offer through the link below. Next thing to consider, Bitdefender offers a comprehensive suite of additional tools, from a password manager to a file shredder and parental controls. While other antivirus solutions might charge extra for these features, Bitdefender packs them all in without upselling. So if you're looking for an all-in-one package, you won't need to worry about paying for add-ons. Lastly, the customer support is top-notch. Bitdefender offers 24/7 support through live chat, phone, and email. And in terms of ease of use, the user interface is clear and straightforward. If you've ever struggled with complex setup processes with other antivirus software, you'll appreciate how easy Bitdefender makes it to get started. Even if you're new to antivirus software, you won't have a hard time getting everything up and running. So, if you want to try Bitdefender for yourself, click the first link in the description below. You'll not only get the best free trial, but also some exclusive benefits that you won't find elsewhere. Don't miss out. Get your hands on one of the best antivirus solutions today and keep your devices secure.